All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2015 Ford Taurus Police Interceptor 3.7 all-wheel drive engine on this one. Original bright white from factory. Vehicle does have 101,000 miles with only 982 idle hours. This was a former Probation Department vehicle, not a patrol vehicle, not beat up, and very well taken care of, folks. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape to go anywhere across the states and off to her new home. The vehicle does have a fresh new window tint. The old tint that was in the vehicle was old and purple looking. No bueno, so I went ahead and had a refresh. Yes, the vehicle does have fresh new window tint, medium shade in the rear, light in the front if I'm not mistaken. Perfect color combination. This is going to be an E85 flex fuel unit. Vehicle does have working backup sensors. No holes on the body whatsoever. No holes on the body of this vehicle, folks. Once again, this is going to be a flex fuel. Vehicle does have a clean and clear California title. This was a California vehicle, so there is no rust on her whatsoever. The paint looks very sharp, looks very nice, very shiny. You can hardly see any scratches on the vehicle, but the vehicle does have about 3 door dings on the hood. That's about it. I can say that this vehicle is in near mint condition. Vehicle does have let me stop right here. Vehicle does have a nice set of Goodyear RSA Eagles, courtesy of the Probation Department. All 4 steel wheels are in nice glossy condition still. The vehicle upon arrival did come with the full wheel covers, which a lot of people do not like, so I went ahead and swapped those out with the dog dishes. Buyer takes all. What you see is what you're gonna get, and I am putting the full wheel covers in the trunk of this vehicle. Vehicle does have a nice set of clear and clean headlamps. Not oxidated, not yellowish. Very nice, folks. Very nice looking unit. If you're looking for a vehicle to get you up and down from point A to C, this is it right here, folks. Vehicle has been fully serviced, and as usual, I went ahead and already did everything for you. So all you have to do is just gas up and go and take it to your DMV for your name transfer. Folks, just so you know, I do have poor lighting, but the paint does look great. It's overcast here. It looks like it's gonna rain, but here she is, folks. Very, very nice car. Let's go inside and show you what we got to work with. The clock is ticking, and I don't want to fall behind on this one. All right, here we go. The vehicle does have a nice matching interior. All seatbelts and buckles are in place. Sorry, that's my phone. Let me clean this up here for you guys. All seatbelts and buckles are in place. It does have a nice carpet interior with all 4 matching floor mats in place. All 4 door panels are in nice condition, not destroyed, not beat up. Driver's side seat is in nice shape. Passenger side seat appears to be in new condition. The vehicle did come with a full OEM center console. I did not put that on there. Everything does work. Honk does work. And I think I'm gonna have to move out of the way here for you guys. Okay. Vehicle does have 1 key, 1 fob. Sorry. Let me clean this up here. 1 key, 1 fob. You're leaving?
No, it's okay.
Okay, cool. She's just saying hi. Sorry, let's go ahead and fire her up. Clean this up here for you guys. Vehicle does have 101,000 miles. I am going to be putting more miles, so it's going to go up a little bit, not by much. 982 idle hours on this beauty, folks. Stereo does work. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Folks, just so you know, before I forget, I'm sorry, I almost got thrown off by one of my neighbors here. I am missing the trunk release button. Don't worry, I've ordered one on eBay. It's on the way. As soon as I get it, I will install it for you, okay? But I gotta let you know. Cigarette lighters do work. It's complete, folks. What you see is what you're gonna get. Auxiliary and USB connection right here. Everything does work. Map lights do work. Got a little pocket for your glasses right there, folks. Sorry, I gotta focus. White LED, red LED. Cruise control does work. Vehicle is equipped with a factory Bluetooth as well. All you do, just hit the phone button and it's gonna try to connect to your phone. You have to do the pairing right there for you guys. You have to do the pairing, I'm sorry. I don't have a trunk release button, so I gotta open the trunk with the key. So let's do that real quick and then I'll fire her back up. Let me go back to the front and fire her back up. Pressure lights are up. We're gonna release the hood just in case, so we can get to that right now. All right, folks, these are gonna be all for the full wheel covers that the vehicle came with. I'm putting them in the trunk for the next customer. You can do whatever you want with them. A lot of people do prefer the dog dishes. The vehicle does have a full spare matching tire in here. All right, floor jack and hold down pan inside, so it is complete. Those are for you. I can throw them away. Just tell me what you want to do and I will do it for you, or I can go ahead and leave them in there. That's not a problem. Wheels look nice, folks. Paint looks great. Before I forget, I do have 3 door dings right here. 1, 2, 3. They do hide because the car is white, but I gotta tell you it's there. Before I forget, I went ahead and replaced the headlight bulbs on this vehicle with the LED 9005 light bulbs on this one. Correction, 9012 light bulbs on this one. So nice and bright, especially at night. Let's go with one hand here. Okay, here we go. All right, folks, starting right to left, I do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. Full synthetic 520 oil service and filter was performed on this one. Transmission was also transmission service was also done, and I did use Motorcraft LV. All 6 spark plugs are Motorcraft. They were platinum. All 6 spark plugs have been already replaced. They are OEM Motorcraft Platinum. Okay, so I went ahead and left them alone. I did verify to make sure they were new, and yes, it looked like they had been replaced already, so I put them back. Also, folks, I noticed that this vehicle, it looks like the cats were already replaced along with the O2 sensors. This is a perfect signature, ladies and know, because these are new. Usually when this happens, that means that the cats were replaced, and I can see that they are because I was able to see the stickers on them. You can see it from here, but folks, I know what I'm telling you. Coolant was leveled, washer fluid was topped off, dry belt looks to have been already replaced for the department, so I went ahead and left that alone. Cabin filter is new by Motorcraft. Rear brakes are new, courtesy of the Probation Department. So I didn't have to do rear brakes. Front brakes were around 80%, 70%, so I did not have to do brakes and rotors on this one. It looks like whoever was assigned to this vehicle was on top of it. It was a Probation Department vehicle, so it's not a patrol, so they do receive different treatment, folks. They really do. Folks, very quiet. Fully serviced in detail, folks. I almost feel like I'm waiting for you to come in so that I can record you, brother.
This is like I feel him coming.
There he comes. I felt the headlights in the back of my neck, brother. Nice seeing you, man. All right, this is the engine, folks. The suspension is nice and tight. The vehicle is not overheating. No funny noises, no funny clicks, no funny anything on this vehicle. Okay, here we go. Door dings right there. Okay, they are right there, folks, with some touch-up paint right here as well. This is actually how the car came when I got it, with those door dings and the little touch-up. One last final look. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Once again, this is going to be a 2015 Ford Taurus Police Interceptor, 3.7 all-wheel drive, former Probation Department vehicle, folks. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, folks. I already did everything to this car, and whoever was assigned to this unit, they were on top of it themselves. I was able to tell all the work that was done, and I left everything alone. At least those pieces that didn't need to be replaced, I left them alone, folks. So here she is, once again, California Clean and Clear title. If you like what you see, please do not hesitate to give me a call or text me. Let's see if we can come to an agreement. Serious inquiries only, please. I ask that very respectfully. I've been getting a lot of messages and people giving me the runaround, and at the end of the day, they're like, Mario, never mind, I don't think I can spend the money. Come on, guys. You already know that right off the bat, okay? Respectfully, serious inquiries only. I'm not here to waste your time, so please do the same for me. All right, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. All right, folks, I gotta go. You guys have yourself a blessed week, blessed weekend. God bless and take care.